Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone camera is not working or black screen. The iPhone camera is one of its most important feature. You can take a quality pictures, movies and videos, and when the camera won't work you lose one of your iPhone key features. So I'm going to show you how you can fix it. The first step is make sure that your iPhone case, make sure you haven't put your iPhone case upside down and make sure that it's not blocking the camera. So once you have made sure, then the next step is clean off the camera lens. If your case is on properly, it's possible that maybe blocking the lens of your iPhone camera. Sure that you clean your iPhone camera lens. So once you have done this and if it's still not working, then close your iPhone camera app or every app you are running on the background. A lot of iPhone software problem can occur when the app crashes. If camera app or another app crash in the background of your iPhone, it could be the reason for your camera not working on the black screen. You can simply swipe up and try closing all the apps, then open the camera of your iPhone and see if it's working, and if it's still not working then restart your iPhone. Restarting your iPhone will give you all apps opportunity to shut down and get a fresh start. Sometimes this fix minor software glitch making your iPhone camera malfunction. So make sure that you try restarting your iPhone once, and if it's still not working then make sure that you update your iPhone. The camera app is a native iPhone app, which means it can only be updated by an iOS update. Apple released a new update to introduce new feature like solve known bugs. One of it may be causing the problem with your camera. That you can go to settings, click on general, click on software update, and if you see any update on your iPhone in the software update section, make sure that you download that update and install it in your iPhone. It can fix your iPhone black or not working problem. So hope this video helps. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.